Hey guys, back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can make a React app. So first of all, what you have to do is just make a new folder. Click on the new and make the folder. And I'm writing the name as my first app. Okay, after writing the name, what you have to do is just right click on it and open with the code like this. Okay, so what will happen is just it will open in the VS Code, Visual Studio Code. I hope you guys are familiar with it. So now what you have to do is just you have to make a terminal. For the terminal, just click on the three dots which is given above and click on the new terminal. Okay, so a new terminal will be open. After creating a new terminal, what you have to do is just write this with this, which is npx. Okay, npx. After that, give the space and now write create, then dash, then react. After the react, then again dash and write app. Okay, and then press enter. Dot and this. So what these will do, what we will do is basically we'll install our React app in the desired folder. So yeah, can you see that? Okay, to proceed, what you have to do is just click on the Y, and our package is start to download now. Okay, like this. And it is now creating a new React app like this. Can you see the package.json? So what this is doing is just installing all the necessary packages which are very important for our React app. And I guess it is about the 1323 packages somehow. So it is these are the, like, can you see that React DOM? It is downloading the React scripts with the template. So yeah, it will take some about the 5 minutes, and then it will be downloaded. Okay, so if you want more videos like where we will be explaining the the beginners project about how to make a web application on the React, so do tell me in the comment section, and do tell me what sort of more videos you want to, and if you want to learn React.js from the scratch. So yeah, our folders are successfully downloaded. It was about 1323 packages I have told you, and these are all the files. We have the node modules, the public and source. Now I'll tell you how to ready your, the app for the website. So to make your app ready, we will delete all the unnecessary files which we don't require in our app like this. So we don't need this coding, so I've deleted that. And yeah, in this way we'll just delete this logo as well. After deleting the logo, we'll just go to this file and we will just delete this. We don't need this app.text.js. Just delete this file and just delete the logo.svg file as well. So that's how you will be doing the cleaning of your website. Okay, your React.js framework. Just delete the setup test.js as well, and this report web vitals.js as well. These are not the necessary files which are required when you are creating a React app. And I'm just gonna delete it. CSS file, not the yeah, we will delete the index.css file as well. I'll show you in a bit, and I will delete it. And in this, can you see that app? We are basically rendering the app here, and we are just gonna delete the unnecessary thing as we have deleted the report web vitals, so we are just deleting them. Okay, like this. Now you have to go to the, I guess, public as well. In public we have some things as well, we are just gonna delete that. So go to the public and delete this logo 192 and 512. Just delete them, we don't need that. Just thoroughly clean your React framework so you'll be, it will be easier for you to work. Yeah, we're just now gonna delete these comments as well, we don't require them. So whatever things which is not according to your requirement, just delete that thing, okay? Like just I'm deleting it. So just follow me, okay? If it's your first time, just follow me. Like I'll tell you how to do it. And yeah, in this way, this page is clean now. And I guess we don't need this index.css file as well, so I will delete it as well. I will show you in a bit that I have deleted that, okay? So now what you have to do is just again go to the terminal, and now what you have to do is just to run your app or your React app, just write npm start. Yes, like this, okay? And it is gonna, you know, start your server. So wait, it is gonna work now. Yes, just click on the Y, yes. And what we have to do is just wait for a second. Yeah, can you see the starting the development server? So it is basically starting a web service front page. And yep, it is, I guess, successfully downloaded now, like this. Yeah, webpack is successfully compiled, okay? So yeah, we don't need the CSS file as well. I've told you index.css, and then we just need in the source file these three files, that is app.css, app.js, and index.js, okay? So we have getting an error. I've told you we have to delete this import if you are deleting that file, you know. After deleting this, yes, the error is removed now. Now you can just create your website easily, okay? I'm just gonna show you how it's gonna be working. So I'm just gonna take a paragraph tag here and just writing something randomly like hello, my first, I guess, web app, okay? And then just gonna save it and it's compiling it, and can now you will see like this, okay? So there guys, don't do tell me in the comment section if you want more videos like how to like the beginners projects. Tell me in the comment section and we'll start working on it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching for more. Allah Hafiz.